Hi, hello, welcome to Stay Tuned channel. Today we are going to see the summary of the poem The Rebel. NCERT Grade 7 Honeycomb Book. Poem 2. So before I start the summary of this poem, let me tell you about this author, poet. The poet's name is D.J. Enright. He was born on 11 March 1920 in United Kingdom and died on 31st December 2002, United Kingdom. So he used to write poetry, fiction and essays. Okay, now shall we see the poem? A rebel is a person who always disagrees with you. Always, whatever you say, he goes against you. He needs to do the opposite of what everyone loves to do. When everyone has a short hair, the rebel sports long hair. When everybody lets his hair grow long, the rebel cuts his hair short. When others in the class talk, the rebel keeps quiet. But when others are all quiet, the rebel breaks this silence. When the other boys go to school in uniforms, the rebel puts on colorful clothes. When other boys are in fancy dress, the rebels dress up in simple. If others are dog lovers, the rebel prefers cats. But in the company of cat lovers, he praises dogs. When everybody longs for sunshine, the rebel longs for rain. When others go to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads books. When everybody agrees, the rebel disagrees. The rebels are necessary because they help us look at the life differently. But this practice will not suit everyone. I hope that you like the poem. So you might be having any of your friend who is a rebel. So if you feel someone is a rebel in your family or in your friends group, you can very well comment about them in the comment box. So keep watching my channel. Bye. Hi, hello, welcome to Stay Tuned channel.